In this ToonzHub review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create your own cartoon characters and create videos in under 30 seconds. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ToonzHub, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says world's #1 AI-based 3D cartoon character and video maker platform at a low one-time price. Finally, world's first AI-based 3D cartoon character generator platform to create unlimited stunning videos in any niche in just 30 seconds. Unique video and image editor with thousands of Ultra HD video templates. Use and sell unlimited 3D characters and videos to your clients with a commercial license. So essentially, this is going to allow you to create these 3D characters and create videos and sell them to people and keep all the money here. So step one, you just log into the platform. You select from over 100,000 combinations of 3D characters. You easily customize the characters per your requirements, and then you preview and then you download them to use in your videos here as well. It has a ton of different features here. If we scroll down here, here's some income proof. They say that they use this to make money. Maybe they use it in a sales video. I don't know, but it's not really about making money. I mean, you can use it for that, but it's more about what the software does here. You can go out there actually and provide this as a service on places like Fiverr and Upwork. If you want to create these different characters for people and sell them, that's an opportunity here as well. Now, let me scroll down here. Some examples here you can see of what these look like. Pretty cool. You can see all the different variations showing up here with these. Here's some actual videos that are created with the software. You can check those out on the sales page. I always want to take a look at those type of things to see what it actually creates here. And let me scroll down here to the bottom. If you purchase today, you're going to have access to the software, the pre-made 3D niches, 3D characters here, all these different things, all included in the software for a very low one-time price. But I want to show you something important here. When you come to the sales page, make sure that you move your mouse away like this. And what's going to happen is when you do that, this discount's going to come up here. Make sure you do that. I always want you to get the lowest prices on these. I make less as an affiliate, but I always want to make sure that my subscribers get the best price. Give me a like if you like the fact that I do that and you want me to keep doing it. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a video of them explaining this a little bit more, an actual demo of it inside, and then I'll be back to show you the OTOs and the discounts.
Hello folks, Akshat Gupta here. And if you are a YouTuber, agency owner, or a small and medium business owner, you know that visual assets and videos are the lifeblood of any online and offline business. But this can quickly turn into a headache for you. You know why? Because using copyrighted visuals and characters will get your videos penalized. It's really tough to find good copyright-free visual asset. Creating original 3D character and videos require a lot of skill and talent. Creative subscription services cost hundreds of dollars every month. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork demand a hefty amount for a single 3D character or even a video. I have spent thousands of dollars every month for a good high-quality 3D illustration. The list goes on and on. Now, I'm pretty sure you're facing at least one of these problems. But after working for 1 year straight, we created a solution. And it has changed the game of every video creator out there. Imagine if you're being able to generate your own 3D characters, make unlimited stunning videos without any skills, sell unlimited 3D characters and videos to your customers and charge any amount, access thousands of free-made videos along with advanced video editor. Sounds unbelievable? Introducing ToonzHub, world's first AI-based 3D cartoon character generator platform to create unlimited stunning video in any niche in just 30 seconds. Plus, thousands of pre-made video templates with unique inbuilt video editor. With ToonzHub, you are just 3 simple steps away from starting your own 3D character assets and video agency. Step 1. Log in and select any character category. Step 2. AI will automatically generate unique 3D characters based on your selected category. Step 3. Play or download in one click. Create unlimited videos and use it for yourself, or sell to your clients and keep the profits. With ToonzHub, you'll get fully AI cloud-based system, generate and customize unlimited 3D characters for your project, millions of pre-made 3D cartoons character with inbuilt video editor, thousands of Ultra HD video templates ready to use, Ultra HD quality intro and outro video templates ready to use, AI-based image to cartoon converter, step-by-step training, complete designing suite, 2 million plus HD stock images, 1 million plus Ultra HD stock videos, 20K plus vectors, preview features, multiple formats, high-quality downloads, unlimited download with no fee, social sharing feature, inbuilt image editor, much more. And we're not alone. Over 150 agency owner, marketers, and more than 2,000 customers have started making money with ToonzHub. Till now, ToonzHub has created over 104,739 plus royal-free 3D characters. It's huge. And now, it's your turn to use it for your business to skyrocket your conversion and profit at a low one-time cost during the special 4-day launch deal. Your purchase is fully covered by 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it for 30 days. If you are still not convinced, get your money back. Also, it comes with a commercial license, which makes it an incredibly great deal. Soon it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast and click the link below. See you inside.
Okay, so this is the first upgrade you're going to see here. It says this is unlimited reseller license and millions of additional 3D characters, Ultra HD video templates, all added in here. So you get remove all limits, remove all branding, unlock all the additional features here with this upgrade here. So you can get this one. Now, here's the thing. When you come to this page, here it happened. So when you come to this page, you want to make sure you move your mouse away. So what's going to happen is a discount is going to come up here. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want you to get the lowest prices. Give me a like if you like the fact that I do that and you want me to do it in the future. Next one here, they says we've brought you a revolutionary method where you can build your online business, selling it so you can actually sell the software here with this. So it's an agency license. What you want to do on this one, move your mouse away again, and you can get that discount on it. Next one here is they're going to give you another software, get instant access to their audio creator software. For this, you can create audio for your different videos here. This was also a deal today. Move your mouse away, get that discount. Next one here is an auto chat one, so power of messenger, SMS, and email. Move your mouse away on this one and get a discount on this one. And the last one, again, when you want to move your mouse away, as always, you can get the white label license here and be able to rebrand this and sell it like it's your own software. So all these different OTOs are completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about ToonzHub and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I mean, it has some hype and claims on the sales page. It's a one-time price, so if you compare this to softwares out there that you're paying monthly for, probably the ones that you pay monthly for and that have a real reason to keep on adding stuff in are going to be better than this. But if you're on a budget, then this might be right for you. What do I like about this? It's a really cheap software. If you're looking for something that's not going to break your bank, it's going to allow you to create these different tunes, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ToonzHub, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.